This is Mike Olden with Lee Smith. I look forward to working with you on your next mechanics truck. Today I have for you the International CV515 4x4 standard cab with a Knapheide utility body and the stellar 7621 crane system. The Knapheide boxes are loaded with a whole bunch of goodies that you'll understand if you're in the mechanic field. On the front bin cabinet, we have a 7-drawer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 drawer. Pull out, easy hand lock by C-Tech Manufacturing. A good bottom drawer with a deep pocket and lined for cushions for the materials that you might put inside. Next to it is a storage bin with 3 different levels and trays that are movable. So a lot of great storage that you have on top of the cabinets. 7-drawer cabinets. The automotive gasket surroundings reduces the amount of moisture that gets into the compartments. On the street side, driver's side, we have for you 16 storage trays. Each one has a way to lock out, giving you right at 6 inches of depth, 3 different pockets for the tools of the trade and the components of the trade in a safe, manageable environment. The spring-loaded doors are amazing because they tend to pop out and open up to the environment that you're in. That way you're not fighting the door in high winds. The backside cabinet on the street side, again, 3 levels from some larger components and tools that you may have. The storage trays, of course, are slotted. Halfway through our walk around, we get to what is the meat and potatoes for the stellar lift. This is a 24-inch and 8-inch. We have a removable vise platform that can be installed on the street side or curb side. Our access point steps, heavy-duty rubber, so that as you have that angle of departure, you don't have to worry about striking ground. 1 step, 2 step, 3 steps grab handle to get into the back of the 11-foot bay bed. This back door folds down so you have additional work tray space. You have 6 distinct floor ties in the inside of the body for heavy-duty securing a product. Our front wall does have a removable base for servicing what's up underneath and a hydraulic tank up against the front. Shutting our back door, nice solid lock thanks to Knapheide. Rear-mounted camera, trailer connection for your electric brakes, the receiver tube for that heavy-duty towing. As you can tell, we have an air compressor tucked inside the stellar utility box. Take a look at this. This is 1/4-inch steel framing. Houses our air filtration system. Our Knapheide electronic connection to our strobes, compartments, street side, roadside spots, our crane, and our compressor. This is the on-off switch. Stabilizer controls our extension out on the curb side and the stabilizer arm down both street side, driver side, curb side, passenger side. Inside door are the safety labels for operation area and payload weights for the crane, as well as the level. In front of the crane, above the wheel, we have 2 levels of storage for the curb side, 1 more storage box area, so plenty of volume, and then in front of this is the welding tank area for you to put your supplies for welding. Spot lamps on the side of the body, spot lamps at the rear of the body, give great work environment in the evening hours. I want to go into the interior of the International CV515 standard cab 4x4. What's great about the International CV is its ergonomic design. Very current model associated with those environments that you're used to in your personal day. You have the power windows, the power door locks, the remote mirror control, 4x4 control to the left of the steering column with automatic on for your headlamps, as well as the controller for the brake controls in the left-hand section. It is a tilt wheel, very good gauge package on the dash. Your cruise control is available for you to control at the steering wheel, and you have the tow haul for when you're pulling and your manual control selector for the transmission when engaged. To engage the PTO, you'll make sure that it is in park or neutral. Go ahead and make sure your service brake is on and depress the PTO switch here on the dash. This is our controller for the stellar 7621 crane. In the center dash, we have our information entertainment controls, our cab environment, our switches available for, of course, our PTO and lighting, and down below we have a glove box for your wallet, 12-volt power, 112-volt power supply, and the standard 110-volt tucked down below. Passenger side features 2 storages in front of the passenger as well as door storage. The door storage follows what is on the driver's side with the 2 cup holders and the panel above and panel below for storage features. In between the seats, power supply as well as 2 USB tie-ins. This of course can be tucked away in a single person environment. Above we have the location for your sunglasses and our interior dome lamps, which controls reading lights for the driver and reading lights for the passenger. The speaker for the hands-free is right above the driver's side. And behind the driver's seat is the safety equipment and deep pocket storage. Again, this is Mike Olden. Thank you for taking a quick tour on the inside of the International CV515. It is equipped with the Knapheide service body and the stellar 7621 crane. You can reach me at 423-618-3323. Shoot me an email, molden@lee-smith.com. Let's get working.